Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing about very replacing words. So I will be telling you some new words. Let's start. First word is very dirty. What do you call very dirty? Filthy, very dry, arid, very dull, tedious, very eager, keen, very easy, effortless, very empty, desolate, very evil, wicked, very excited, thrilled, very exciting, exhilarating, very expensive, costly, very fancy, lavish, very fast, quick, very fat, obese, very fierce, ferocious, very friendly, amiable, very frightened, alarmed, very frightening, terrifying, very funny, hilarious, very glad, overjoyed, very great, terrific, very good, excellent, very happy, ecstatic, very hard, difficult, very hard to find, rare, very heavy, laden, very high, soaring, very hot, sweltering, very huge, colossal, very hungry, starving, very hurt, battered, very important, crucial, very intelligent, brilliant, very interesting, captivating, very kind, compassionate, very large, huge, very lazy, indolent, very light, luminous, very little, tiny, very lively, animated, very long, extensive, very long term, enduring, very loose, slack, very loud, deafening, very loved, adored, very lovely, adorable, very mean, cruel, very messy, slovenly, very neat, immaculate, very necessary, essential, very nervous, apprehensive, very nice, kind, very noisy, deafening, very often, frequently, very old, ancient, very old fashioned, archaic, very open, transparent, very painful, excruciating, very pale, Asian, very perfect, flawless, very poor, destitute, very powerful, compelling, very pretty, beautiful, very quick, rapid, very quiet, hushed, very raining, pouring, very rich, wealthy, very risky, perilous, very roomy, spacious. That's it for today's video, guys.